few people what they think of the food that they're eating at this point in time, if they're liking the food, and definitely it is a special occasion. It is the food that they have prepared especially for Yugadi. So, sir, what do you think of the food that you're eating?
Interesting, lot of varieties, but as old people we can't relish everything, so we enjoy what we are able to eat.
What do you like? What's your favorite out of all that you're eating right now?
I'm diabetic, and as you can make out, I like the sweets.
You know, there's so much variety that in whole Bangalore, I think you can have it in one meal.
And what did you enjoy the most out of all that you ate?
Simbri, and I like the obbat too. It was amazing because it's sweet, and that is always from childhood I've been liking it.
Food, we finish not. I feel like sleeping over here after food. Because all items are so very well prepared, very pungent and very accurate with the chilies and salt and everything. And this kosamri, you know, it is always made in dal, bigawa dal se banta hai na. Today they have made special kadle bede kosamri with half boiled. That is a very special item for us. All items including paisa, holge, and see this menshinkai. Nobody gives in the hotel. So we are enjoying so much. We are not missing house. Better than our home food. And particularly this panka in the beginning they gave, you know, it is not lemon. Some sort of other fruit, I think. So the moment you come into this table and you drink that, so soothing and appetizer-like thing it is.
Oh, I have a complaint. Then people are telling that there is shortage of food. Here they have served so much we can't eat it.
So people definitely are in awe of the food and also in awe of the quantity of food that has been given. Now definitely all this looks very appetizing, and I'm going to go and try out some of the foods. Although I can't exactly explain what exactly it is, I can't say half of the names, but definitely I am going to go and taste some of it. And I have Raghavendra here with me, who is going to explain exactly what each dish is and how has it been made and with what. So Raghavendra, can we start? Because I can't wait to start. So, okay, explain to us. Here are all the varieties of the food, a little sample of everything that has been prepared.
There's almost everything which is prepared today. I mean, all the specialities. So the tradition of the festival is to eat on a plantain leaf. So we started off with that. It's a plantain leaf. So it's more healthier to eat on a plantain leaf than the plate or whatever you're using. So we'll start off with the.
What's the first thing that goes?
I mean, you need to taste the sweet first. This is a paisa.
Okay.
This is made of rice paisa. This is a special thing.
Okay.
So then you go. Then these are all the kosamris which people were talking about and which people, almost everyone were liking it. So these are two kinds of
This is made
kosamri.
with dal.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are two kinds of dal and these are two kosamris. This is two palya here. These are two kinds of. So these are the salads which you call in any other course of meal.
Yeah.
So these are the four varieties. And we got the papad, the sandige, the bonda. So these are two varieties of rice.
This is one thing I know, the umbattu, right? It's made of coconut and...
Today it's made of kobri.
Okay.
So this is a special holge. I mean, we call it as holge, the kobri holge.
Yeah.
So this is godi